All right, for task 4, you're going to apply basic formatting. You should all have an email that is titled Task 4, Apply Basic Formatting in your email. Click on it. Now that we've opened it, you're going to go down to Reply. And in order for you to change any of this text around, we need to actually click these 3 dots here. Do not click these ones. Click these ones. This is in our reply area, so we're going to click on those 3 dots. All right, and now we have access to the original text. Ta-da! All you're going to do is you're going to make the changes that each line tells you to make. This one says make the text color pink and the background color yellow. So this is the toolbox here that I'm going to be using. So this A here with the underline is text color. So it says make the text color pink. So here's text color, pink, and the background color yellow. So again, I'm going to go here and do background color yellow. This is kind of cool. It means you can highlight your text, you can draw attention to it and let people know what you think is important. This one says make this huge. So we're going to be changing the size of the font. So here there's a little t and then a big T, so that's the size. So you're going to change it to be huge. This one asks you to select all of this, so all 3 lines, and make them bulleted. So down here is the bulleted list. You can also do a numbered list, but that's not what the directions asked. So we're going to do bullets. Change the font to Verdana or Verdana, I'm not really sure. So here is the current font that you have, it's sans serif. So thankfully they only provide you a couple options here, which these are all very readable, so you can't accidentally pick one that no one's able to read later. And it's just by limiting the choices makes your life easier. So go ahead and change the font. Center align. This is the button here for alignment. This is how it looks on every single Google app that we'll be using. So if you click on it, if you want everything to be aligned to the left, it's the top, and then center align or right aligned. But the directions said center, center align. Bold and underline this text. So select it. B is for bold, U is for underline. This one says make all 3 lines of this text an embedded quote. Well, to have a quote, you need quotation marks. So this is the part here. Now, of all of the things I just showed you, this one probably makes the least amount of sense to you. As you can see, I use this quote often. It's in my signature, so I have my name and then it indents it a little bit to show my title. I use it for that. And then I also do it if I'm replying to an email and I want to be like, okay, this is what my GLC told me. And yes, I could put it in quotes, and I might still put it in quotes like this, but it lets everybody know that something different's happening. Someone is saying something, it just draws more attention to it. And I like it. I think it's really clean. All right, it says italicize this text. Done, which is the I for italicize, and this one says strike through. And again, you're going to find it over here. Strike through, click it, and it draws a line through it. I use this quite a lot, actually, if I'm going back and forth with somebody and we're trying to cross off lists and tasks that we've done. Strike through is very handy, or maybe something's no longer relevant, or you said something and you're trying to draw attention to it. So again, these are all just ways you can make your text and your emails a little more personalized and a little bit more streamlined to draw attention to what you want to draw attention to. All right, push send. And you can see your final product, and you're done.